this video, we are going to show you how to compare an occupation on the NEworks OEWS webpage. To start, let's open up the filter. Let's pick our geography types. Let's leave state selected and pick the metro statistical area. Let's select our area names. We have Nebraska. Let's add in the Lincoln Metro Statistical Area. Next, we will need to select an occupation. From here, let's deselect all. Click on All Detailed Occupations. Next, let's deselect all, pick Legal Occupations. And finally, let's select the occupation 231011 Lawyers and see our results populate here on the right. From here, we can click on Hourly Wage. We can unhide hidden columns, and we can export our data.